Hi guys, this is Malcolm here, and we're about to show you how to set up a goal on Google Analytics. So, right here, so let's just go backwards. So this is the interface, right? Reportings, customizations, admin. So when you get into the interface of Google Analytics, you click admin, and then what you do is you go to under view goals. Right? And on the top here, you see new goal. So what you're going to do is you're going to press new goal, and when you press new goal, what's going to prompt is goal setup. Now through goal setup, you can do a template, which you can do just a template to start with a pre-filled configuration, which is something Google does default in a default setup, or you can do custom. Right? So we're going to go for custom to set up our customized goals. Right? And the goal description, we will call it, let's see, subscriptions. Let's call it subscriptions. Subscriptions. And through subscriptions, we want to kind of set up a goal slot. So there's about 10, I think 13, oh shoot, there's 20 goal slots. So we're going to just focus on the goal ID 3, goal set 1, and through that, we can do it through 4 opportunities. We can do URL destination, which is exactly what we're aiming for. So it's when someone, again, like when someone subscribes or someone does an event on the website. I won't show someone's an event, but somebody gets to a specific URL after filling out a form, doing what else? What else is there? Filling out a form, if they want to purchase a product. What we can find, or what we can see, is that when they click destination, or when they click the, when they convert or they click the link, there's another URL that pops up. And so what we're going to do is we are going to know when they click that link, there's a destination URL that pops up. So this type is the destination URL that we're going to measure. So at the top here, as you can see, I click destination. I put name of subscriptions, goal type is destination. And so basically you want the URL to be exactly what you want it to look like. So for example, if I go back to my screen here, this is my teacher. Hi teacher. She teaches me how to do these things, but as you can see, if we go backwards, what she did is she gave us a thank you page. As you can see, thank you for subscribing to Digital Marketing Institute, right? So there's a link that comes with that. So when you do that link, when you get to that page, you're going to want to use that same URL that prompts after you get to this page and put it in here. Boom. Right? So the destination URL is equal to the thank you page after you fill out a subscription. Right? Make sure that it take off case sensitive just in case. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a subscription URL, and it's going to look like this. Subscription, I don't even know if I'm spelling this right, but it's okay. There we go. Thank you. .com, and let's just say that was the URL. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. Now, moving forward, like, do we want to assign a monetary value to this conversion? Yes, if there is a monetary value involved. So, for example, If I'm a retail or e-tail store online, what I can do is I can put on a URL, and I can put on a value to this URL, which would look like for instance, you see US here, which is okay. Let's keep it to US. We can just put $30 every time they connect to this URL, and then more importantly, we can get really advanced. We can put in a funnel, right? But we're not going to go here right now. We're just going to go to the goal. So let's keep that off. We're going to verify this goal. So see how often this goal would have converted based on the data in the last 7 days. So this is a pretty unique tool. Now the goal would have a 0% rate because based on the data that we had for the last 7 days is not relevant to the data that we're putting in, which is this subscription URL that pops up after they subscribe. So I'm just going to go ahead and save, bam, and boom. So we have a goal, and it's subscription, and it pops up at the bottom here, and we're ready to go. If you want to take it off recording, you press off. If you want to keep it on, I would just keep it on, and that's how you set up a destination goal. Bye-bye.